tomorrow will bring. And nobody even knows the land that they're going to die. I know a brother, friend of mine, born in Pakistan, moved to America and became a doctor in the city of Detroit. We made Hajj and he died in Mecca. Born in Pakistan, living in America, dying in Mecca. You don't know where you're going to die. And by the way, that's why you be careful where you go, because you don't want to die in a crack house. You don't want to die in a whore house. Nobody knows. See, Allah does that to you. When you run and hide and you sneak around, Allah is the manifester. And so whatever you do in the dark, Allah will bring it into light. And you don't know where you're going to die, what you do in what circumstance. And that's why you have to try to live your life right, because Allah can take you any moment.
That right now the most important thing is that you die a Muslim. Yes, there's nothing more important than that. I have 9 children. Imam, Allah is my witness. If my children become doctors, I'll be very happy. Or scientists, I would be very happy. But I don't want them to become doctors and scientists and lose their deen. I'd rather them to sweep the streets of New York City and die as a Muslim than to become doctor and then die as a disbeliever. I swear by Allah. You want to make me happy as the father? Be a Muslim. Just be a Muslim. Wake up every day. Thank Allah for giving you life. Every breath that you have. Thank Allah for that. Thank Allah for everything that He gave you. Gave you a wife. Then you be thankful for that. There's people don't have a wife. There's a homeless shelter. People live there. Have no home. You got a home? You don't appreciate your home. It's too small. Thank Allah that you got a home. I've seen people in very bad condition. So be a thankful servant that whatever Allah gives you. But wallahi, I swear by Allah, if I had nothing, had no money, and homeless in a homeless shelter, or living in the street, or living in a park, I have everything because I'm Muslim. And if I can die Muslim, then I'm a happy man. And even though I may have nothing in this life, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as I have Islam. And if I have everything in this world and have no Islam, I have nothing. You have to think like that. If you don't, you're foolish.